Alright guys, I'm back out here with the Helliway 913. Here it is, but this time I'm going to try to fly it without using the app to see if the app is causing any of this. You know, now we got to start debugging this thing to find out what the hell is going to be causing this thing to act up. So let's go ahead and fire it up. And I'm not going to, of course, not going to fly it far because, you know, if the battery's only going to last 2 minutes, it's going to drop out of the sky. So there goes that, right? Okay, let's start some video. Hopefully it's working. Oh, did you see that drifting? Now I'm going to turn the GPS on. Still drifting. So now does the GPS work with the app on? Or it won't work if the app's not on? Or maybe I just don't have enough satellites yet. So that could be. Okay, it seems to be not drifting as much. Well, there it goes again, so, oh well. Not worried about it. I'm worried about figuring out what's going on with his battery. I just want to see if it's going to last more than 2 minutes. It's a little bit breezy now. This morning when I shot the other video, there was no wind, but I have no idea if the video is working or it's not working. I have no clue. Well, I can already tell you it's flying longer than it did than this morning. But like I said, I'm afraid to take it too far because I don't know what's going to happen. So okay, so it's not drifting as much. I guess maybe the satellites finally kicked in because, you know, I did start it up and take off right away as soon as it started. I just took off. I didn't wait around for any GPS lock or anything, and now it seems to be a lot more stable. So that was probably it. It probably just didn't. The satellites just weren't in there yet. See, there's some kind of party going on over there at the pavilion. So I'm going to keep it in here between here and the baseball section here. seems to be acting a little wonky, but okay, so far it's flying way longer than it did this morning, so I don't know. If you hold that button in, okay, there's the sport mode. Look at the pitch on that. You know, because I can't trust it not dropping out of the sky, I can't go nowhere. Okay, so I'm kind of just like stuck right here. Because, you know, I don't want to tear it up the first damn day. At least try to figure out what's going on with it. I'll put the flight time in there. Let me bring it over here for a second and see what these lights are doing, to see if they're acting up any. It might be flashing different stuff, who knows. And now I don't know if it's going to go into some kind of return to home deal or something. Listen to how quiet that thing is. Okay, well right now I only see the green one's on. I don't see the red one's on in the front. Now, does that have something to do with the GPS, or let me turn the GPS off. Look at that thing drift away. Like I said, it's a little bit windy, so it's holding up pretty decently. Actually, it is doing pretty good, actually, for the sizes. I mean, it only weighs 200 grams. See, when you hit the GPS button, it pulled right together there. Okay, so maybe the app has something to do with the battery, because so far now it's been going for, I would say, a while. Now I have no idea if the video is recording or not, but we'll find out. And I'll just put that little clock in there so I know what the flight time is. That way I don't have to watch the video back another time while I'm editing it. I can just put that little clock in there and that tells me what it is. Yeah, the wind's kicking up pretty good, man. Okay, so basically what this is a battery test. Okay, that's what we're doing here. But I'm feeling a lot better about this thing than I was this morning, because that video I made this morning, I only got 3 minutes out of it. And so I know damn well it's been going for a hell of a lot longer than 3 minutes. Oh, it's landing by itself now. It's trying to anyway, so it's doing an emergency landing here. So that was a low battery. So now you know what that does. There's the red lights flashing in the front. So now you know when it gets to the low battery warning, it just lands. That's what it does. Now I don't know what it does if the app's running. It might be something might come up on the screen or something of that nature. So we'll have to figure all this out here as we go. So we had the app running this morning, and the battery life was 3 minutes. Was total crap. Now, I didn't run the app this time. I just ran it straight, and I don't know what the flight time is, but I know damn well it was longer than 3 minutes. The motors are very cool. There's no warmth to them at all. So, all right, it's a work in progress. I'm going to try it again, charge it up again, and try it with the go back to the app and see what we can get going with that. All right, guys, have a nice day.